Practice makes perfect. Outstanding construction workers have indeed demonstrated this. They hold the skill to turn a rough brick into a genuine work of art using their own hands. So, delve deeper into their techniques and creative minds. Let's join WowTech in exploring right away. And don't forget to show your enthusiasm by hitting the subscribe button. This guy will help you grasp that fast as lightning concept in no time. And they have discovered a method for installing partitions for windy days. When possessing a brilliant mind, working won't be as tiring as you imagine. With finesse, no one can guess that the carpet has undergone a minor surgery. When you can't tackle a task alone, give your best friend a call. If constructing the railroad takes months, taking it down is a matter of seconds. Do you think this installation requires machinery? No, a strong arm is all he needs. A little tip for our beloved subscribers if you want to renovate your walls without spending too much. And right after completing the task, your gas bill is $200. A clever idea to help you move around without too much climbing. If you're not satisfied with your current floor, get in touch with him for an improvement. Remember this trick in case you need to move without a ladder. This brings to mind the idea of us shaving after 6 months. This job certainly isn't meant for those afraid of heights, just like me. Now, try not to get trapped while watching this person at work. Can you help me with a bathroom wall renovation?
Of course. Please check back in about 2 hours.
Maybe the employer should consider reviewing a salary raise to properly reflect this person's work performance. Oh wow, I'm genuinely concerned about her spine. This guy will help you differentiate the way professionals work from regular folks. Let's check out the satisfaction from the new look of this road. Team spirit is the essential material to build the perfect home. Turns out art can also be born from the flames. This is what you get when you hire a meticulous person to decorate your ceiling. DryFlex is a reliable solution for repairing corroded door gaps. Would you be willing to place such complete trust in your coworkers? Prepare yourself mentally so that your eyes won't be deceived by this work of art. Why buy a new shelf when you can make use of these leftover tiles? This is a fantastic idea when you want to design a small garden space to play with the kids. This craftsman is carrying out the wood preservation process using the carbonization method. When the homeowner requests a new yard by the next morning, this is how the workers respond. Hoping the harmony between her beauty and skills deserves a thumbs up from you. They didn't lie when saying the tiling job would be done in just 1 hour. This video is satisfying, even for people with OCD tendencies. The intervention by the cosmetic surgeon Bulldog makes the concrete surface become smoother. Sometimes, a project doesn't require the support of modern technology. Here's an example. He turns challenging tasks on the constructing stage into captivating and appealing performances. When the employer asks why they should select you, here's the answer. Working smart won't leave you exhausted. Lucky that he didn't confuse between his toes and the brick. This tool will be a lifesaver to help you save energy while working. Take a look at his incredible kung fu skills performance. Sometimes, speed is the top priority. What's your rating for this intriguing LEGO model? Conveyor belt exclusively for transporting bricks. Leave a comment, as we'd love to know what you think about this. Seesaw's not just a game. It also has creative applications in construction. Don't hesitate to drop a like to this rolled egg version outside the construction site. Just imagine what responsibility you'd have to bear if there were mistakes in installing the bridge system. Don't worry, there are experts here always ready to assist you. Let's witness an unwavering work ethic in creating a wind turbine installation platform. Installing fabric-formed concrete to address erosion issues on riverbanks. Facade Click is a system that connects wall panels from the inside using wall bars. This provides a setup time 7 times faster. Flexum Roof Mortar is a flexible, storm-resistant roof mortar for new construction and renovation projects. An ideal device for quiet and dust-free grinding of reinforced concrete walls. Wall lift enables a single worker to lift up to 50 feet of framed walls in seconds. And here's a treat for those who stick around to the end of the video. We hope today's skilled workers have left you pleased. Which moment stood out to you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And make sure to hit that subscribe button to help WowTech reach 100,000 subscribers for some amazing rewards.